Good morning and welcome to another episode of Morning Mobility with Nate Fit, where we focus on spending 15 minutes helping you create a movement habit. Today, we're going to focus on the spine. We go through all the movements of our spine and get as much range as possible. So we're going to start off with our thoracic spine cars. You can kneel down like this. If this is uncomfortable, you can put some yoga blocks or a pillow underneath your hips. You can also do this seated in a chair. We're going to start off with our hands on our shoulders. We're going to pull our rib cage down into flexion, rotating now, turning those shoulders to the side, dropping the shoulder down into lateral flexion, extending up, rotating the other direction, turning those shoulders as much as you can, dropping that elbow down to your hip, nice and controlled, and coming back around in front. Back to neutral, starting again, pulling that rib cage down into flexion, rotating. We're going to do 3 in each direction, dropping the shoulder down to the side, really stretching that rib cage out, extending up, rotating the other direction, dropping that elbow down to your hip, feeling a stretch on the other side, and coming back around in front. Back to neutral. We'll do one more. Pulling that rib cage down, staying as active as possible throughout the whole range, rotating those shoulders to the side, dropping the shoulder down, extending up, rotating the other direction, dropping the elbow down to the hip, and coming back around in front. Back to neutral, and we'll do 3 in the other direction. Pulling the rib cage down, rotating, turning on axis, dropping the shoulder down, stretching out that rib cage, extending up, rotating the other direction, dropping the elbow down to the hip, and coming back around in front. Back to neutral, and we'll start again. If you have any golfers out there, this is a great exercise to improve mobility for your golf swing. Dropping the shoulder down, extending up, trying to find that stretch in every direction, turning the shoulders to the side, dropping the elbow down to the hip, and coming back around in front. Back to neutral. We'll do one more. Dropping the rib cage down, turning the shoulders to the side, searching for as much range as possible, extending up, rotating the other direction, dropping the elbow down, and back around in front. Let's do one more. Pulling the rib cage down, turning your shoulders to the side, dropping the elbow down, extending up, turning to the other side, dropping the elbow down, and coming back around in front. Next, we are going to stand up and we're going to do standing flexions. So in flexion, what we're trying to do is round our spine as much as possible as we come down. As we do this, we want to peel from the top of our spine all the way down. So it's going to start by tucking the chin and then rounding that spine, pulling that rib cage in. We'll pause at bottom and then come back up. So hands behind the head, slowly tucking that chin, and then working our way down the spine, pulling that rib cage in, rounding as much as possible. Go till you feel a stretch. You might feel a stretch in your hamstrings with this as well. And then peeling back up. Nice and slow. And back to the top. Starting again. Tucking the chin, tucking the head, tucking the ribs, bending down, keeping the legs straight. Pause. And then slowly peeling back up. Chin is still tucked until we get to the top. That's 2. Coming back down, tucking the chin, tucking the head, tucking the ribs, coming down. You'll notice you get a little further every time. Pause at bottom here and slowly peeling back up. That's 3. Starting again, tucking the chin, tucking the head, tucking the ribs, rounding that back as much as possible as we drop down. Pause. You can even put a little weight into your feet or your toes. And slowly peeling back up, keeping that chin tucked until we get to the top. Excellent. We'll go again. Tucking the chin, tucking the head, peeling down, trying to get a little bit further. Feel that stretch. Pause, lean into the toes, and slowly peeling back up. Good. We have one more. Tucking the chin, tucking the head, peeling down, pulling that rib cage in, rounding your back. Get as low as possible. Pause, lean into the toes, and slowly peeling back up. Excellent. That was flexion. Next, we're going to go into extension. We're going to lie down in push-up position. We're going to work the anterior chain, or the front part of the body. With this, hands on the ground, we're going to pick ourselves up, leading with the chin, looking up as high as we can and feeling a stretch in our core, the front of the body here. So, push-up position. Nice and slowly coming up, leading with the chin. Look up as high as you can. Pause at the top. And back down slow. I want you to take in a deep breath before you come up. That's going to help protect your lower back if you feel it in your lower back. So deep breath in. Hold that breath as we come up. Lead with the chin. Pause at the top. And down slow. That's number 2. We're going to do 5. Deep breath in. Coming up. Pause. And slowly back down. Remember to lead with that chin. You're trying to pick that chin up as high as you can. Deep breath in. Coming up. Pause. And slowly back down. We have one more. Deep breath in. Coming up. Lead with the chin. Pause. And slowly back down. Excellent. Next, we're going to go work on rotation. So this is focused on thoracic rotation. We're going to take one of our hands. We're going to place it behind our head. From here, we're going to close and touch our elbows. And then we're going to open up, trying to point our elbow to the ceiling and looking up at the elbow the whole time. We'll do 5 per side. Here we go. Touching the elbows, opening up, pointing that elbow to the ceiling, looking up, and slowly back down, touching the elbows, coming back up. Point that elbow to the ceiling, look at your elbow, and back down. That's 2. Touching the elbows, coming back up. Point that elbow to the ceiling, pause at the top, and coming back down, touching the elbows. That's 3. Starting again, coming up. Try to get more range every time. And back down, touching the elbows, coming back up. Point the elbow to the ceiling, back down. And one more time here. opening up, pointing that elbow to the ceiling, and back down, touching the elbows. We'll flip over to the other side. Hands directly below the shoulders, knees directly below the hips, hands on the back of the head, or hand on the back of the head. Starting off by touching our elbows, reaching up with that elbow, point it to the ceiling, and back down. Really forcing it as much as possible to get that elbow as vertical as you can. Coming back up. Pause. And back down. Touching the elbows, that's 2. Coming up. Point the elbow to the ceiling, look at the elbow. And back down. That's 3. Again, pointing the elbow up. And back down. That's 4. One more time here. Coming up, pointing the elbow to the ceiling. And back down. That's 5. Excellent. Next, we're going to go to our cat-cow spine segmentation. I'll turn the other direction for this. So we're going to be on our hands and our knees. Same position as before, hands directly below the shoulders, knees directly below the hips. And we're going to go into extension and flexion. We're going to try to do this nice and slow, creating a wave up and down the spine as we go into flexion and extension. So here we go, starting in a relatively neutral position, rotating our hips down towards the ground. This is going to put our lower back in extension. Pushing the belly into the ground now, creating a wave up the spine, pressing the rib cage down, slowly pulling our chin up, looking up as high as you can, and then we'll reverse, starting with just the chin. Now tucking the head, looking between your legs, pushing away from the ground, coming up through your upper back, tucking the rib cage in, tucking the belly in, and finishing off by tucking your hips between, your tail between your legs. And reverse, just the hips. We're rotating them down towards the ground in an anterior pelvic tilt. Then we'll press our belly down, press the rib cage down, picking the head up, picking the chin up, looking up as high as you can. Pause, and back down, tucking the chin, tucking the head, looking between the legs, pushing away from the ground as we come up through our upper back, pulling that rib cage in, pulling the belly in, and tucking our tail between our legs. One more time here, rotating the hips down towards the ground. Keep rotating those hips as far as you can. Then starting to press your belly down. Then the ribs. Picking the head up. Picking the chin up. Looking up as high as you can. And reverse. Tucking the chin. Tucking the head. Looking between the legs. Pressing away from the ground, coming up through the upper back. Pulling the ribs in. Pulling the belly in. And tucking your tail between your legs. Excellent. And then we're going to finish off. Now that we've gained the range in our spine, we're going to go back to our thoracic spine cars. We're going to do 2 in each direction. I want you to notice how much extra range you get as we go through our range of motion. Hands on the shoulders. Slowly tucking our rib cage down. Rotating, turning the shoulders to the side. Dropping our shoulder down. Stretching that rib cage out, extending up. Rotating the other direction. Dropping our elbow down to our hip. And coming back around in front. Back to neutral. Starting again. Tucking the rib cage down. Turning our shoulders to the side in rotation. Laterally flexing, but dropping the shoulder down, extending up, rotating to the other side, dropping the elbow down to our hip, and coming back around in front, back to neutral, and we'll do 2 in the other direction. Flexion, pulling that rib cage down. Rotation, rotating as much as possible, turning your shoulders to the side, dropping the shoulder down as we laterally flex, extending up, controlling the whole movement, rotating the other direction, dropping the elbow down to the hip, and coming back around in front, back to neutral. We'll do 1 more here. Flexion, rotation, lateral flexion, extension, extending up as high as you can, rotating the other direction, dropping that elbow down to the hip, and coming back around in front. Excellent, and that's another morning mobility class with Nate Fit. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you liked those exercises, if you notice there's a difference in your range of motion of your spine, you can repeat the exercises. You don't have to end it here. Rewind the video and go back and do them again, and you'll get more range every time. Thank you for joining, and we will see you tomorrow.